Hello everyone, it's Patty, and today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the gorgeous Mesa box from the Planner Society. Now, this box and everything that's available will be also live today on the Planner Society website. So if you're not a subscriber or if you want to purchase extras, you can go there and there'll be everything that's available. Now, I'm going to share with you the Mesa box, the full-size one, because there's also a mini version, which I don't have, but it's just basically a smaller version with less items of the monthly sub box. Then I'll share with you the mini box sticker society, the Hobonichi Week sticker society, the box sticker society, the sticker society, and the Washi sticker society, which can also be purchased as an individual subscription, so you don't have to get it as an add-on. So let me take everything out and I'll try to be as quick as possible because there's so much to share, but I will be right back. And as always, I want to start with the paper that comes in the kit. And again, this is the full-size kit. It's not the mini kit that you can see also on the website. So the full-size kit comes with 6 sheets of cardstock, which is beautiful, nice, thick, buttery soft cardstock. And of each sheet you get of each design you get 2 sheets. So this is the front, this is the back, and this is one of my favorite ones. I love these pinks, this kind of cream colors, these mauves, these kind of nude pinks. I love it. And then the next combination is these gorgeous rainbows with the back of these mauvish flowers, so more like kind of like earthy tones. And then the last color combination is this cream background with little brown spots, and on the back here we have this mauve pink with white flowers. Now, next up is the specialty papers, of which we got a ton. We're getting 2 sheets of vellum, one with the floral pattern and one with the rainbow. Both are with foiling. This is gold and this is more of a matte silver foiling. Oops, where is it going? And then we're getting 2 sheets of the acetate, which is so hard to get. Now, one of the acetate, they're both actually, here we go. So this one is silver on one side and gold on the other side. And this one is more of, I actually can't tell, on one side is silver and on the other side it's barely there gold actually, and under the lights I can't really tell honestly, but they're beautiful, beautiful patterns. And then you get a sheet of the beautiful doily paper, which you can use in this gold color, which you can use to make cards, any dashboards, etc. And then the next 2 items are absolutely adorable. So these come separate, but I put mine on immediately because it's too cute. So we're getting this little pochette, which is actually a little mini tiny backpack with a functioning little pocket in the front. And then we're also getting this beautiful keychain, which I immediately attached there. And you can put it on your bag, etc. You can use this as a little bag to go out. It's enough to put your little wallet in there, or you can use it as, to carry your makeup around in a larger bag. I just love it. It's super sweet. It comes all flattened out, so you want to zhuzh it up a little bit to give it shape when you receive it. And then we're also getting, continuing with the rainbow theme, this beautiful fabric paper clip with the hearts and the rainbow. And then we're also getting the beautiful pen that we always get every month. This is more of a rose gold. It's got crystals in the barrel and the floral design in here on the top of the pen, and you just twist it and it's a ballpoint pen. And then next up is the washi tape. So in the main kit you get 1 washi tape, which is the 50mm size with the floral design with the white background and gold foiling. Now next up is these flowers. Now these flowers are super cute and I use them many times to make dashboards. You can just add them to your little journaling cards to make it, kind of interest on the side of your journaling card to add a little 3D effect. And you have little Swarovski crystals you can put in the middle, so you can create your own little flowers in 3 different colors. Then next up, let me see if I can grab it. It's something that I use every month and I will share with you. It's these little page toppers. So I use these on to make my little page markers. They come with different words, and they come in the gold foiling or in the pattern. You get a ton of them. I hoard them because sometimes I like to make them as gifts for friends, because everybody needs a little page marker. And then one of my favorite items that's always included in Christy's box, it's the beautiful glitter edges. They're now all sticking together for some reason. But here is the beautiful pattern for the month. So we have the matching pattern to the design, and I actually love the texture of the glitter edges this month. It's, I don't know, it feels like a jelly. I don't know. But there's this pink, this cream with green design in the full size. Although my favorite size, let me share it now. It's the mini size, because I kind of like it smaller because I use it in every single dashboard that I make. And this comes in the mini and in the tiny size. And then you also get bows that you can use to make your little tabs. You just fold them over and you can put it on the side of your page to you know, show which section of your planner you're using. And then we're getting not one but two of these adorable little notepads. They come actually beautifully wrapped with a ribbon that I'm currently using in my hair because it's super hot under my lights. So I immediately put it to use. But I love this one. It says "Make It Happen." It's gold foiled. And then this one is just more sticky note with also the gold foiling on the side. And then next up, I want to share something that I absolutely love and that I've never seen Christy do before. So I've seen one of the two products. So this month, let me put actually the girls down for a second. You're getting these journaling cards, which are a little heavier than the other and bigger than the other journaling cards. They're gold foiled. They say TPS Girl, Planner Society Girl, and Planner Girl. Now, once you have your little journaling card, then you can choose amongst all these girls that come in all different skin tones and hair colors and different designs. Some of them is just they're wearing a hat, some are done, you know, like a side by side or just a close-up. Then you're gonna pick your girl that you like to use, and then these are basically stickers. So you just remove the sticker from the back, and then you're gonna place it here on your card, and you got yourself a little card, a little page markers, a little, you know, centerpiece for your dashboard. So you're all set. And I just love this idea. I've never seen the little sticker. I've seen the cards before, but not the little sticker. Then next up, it's the classic little dashboards and die cuts that Christy includes, which are perfect for your I use these every time. I like to layer them with all sorts of you know, kind of 3D items and ribbons, etc., just because I love to decorate. But these are all the ones that are included, so you get a ton of these. And then we're getting also a ton of different die cuts, which I'm just gonna put all down here. So we're getting rainbows, we're getting little designs, flowers, cacti, moon, you know, more rainbows. So there's something for everybody, and the color scheme is clearly matching the paper. So these are absolutely perfect, and it reminds me a little bit of like if I lived in the desert or something, right? This would be the color of the desert, has sunset. I don't know, it's beautiful. And next up, we're getting the stickers. So in the main kit, you do get stickers. So we're getting just 4 sheets, but we're getting basically little, what are they called? Just decorative deco stickers. So we're getting all these girls, all the little accessories, more girls and some trackers, and then these I use all the time. So there's a little stickers that you can cut off, and I use them actually with my you know, to kind of offset, create like a offset thing. Like I would remove one and put a 3D dot under it and raise it and put it beside my main little die cuts, just to create I like to put things in threes. I don't know if it makes any sense, but whenever I decorate, that's what looks best for me. And then we're having more tabs. So these are sticker tabs. You just lift them, they're already sticky, so you just fold them and you put them to your side of your planner, and then you can use all this list of words in rose gold. Actually, I'm not sure if it's rose gold, but it's all little words, everything that you need. And then you're also getting a little bonus this month, which is this little scrunchie. Now the little scrunchie is because of basically in the previous month this one did not arrive in time, but if you're purchasing it on the website, this will not be included. So if you're subscribed, it will be there, but if you buy it separately, you're not a subscriber, it will not be included. Now let me show you the other subscriptions. So first of all, I want to start with the Box Sticker Society, which is one of my favorite because these are the stickers that I use. And as I always say, it comes with a little indent so you can fold them up and you can put them in your planner. So we have all this beautiful checklist. There we go, the clipboards, they're gold foiled. We have some flags, we have some hearts. Then we have some washi, we have some quarter boxes, full boxes, all with the beautiful design and with the gold foiling. And then the gorgeous full boxes. So we're getting 2 sheets. So we have the first sheet here in which we have all the girls in different hair skin tones, and they say bold, brave, strong, and they're absolutely stunning. I think these are absolutely gorgeous. I love the design. And then we have the other 8 full boxes with still again a little checklist, the little bows, and I just love these. It's just something so beautiful about them. And they're different. It's not like the usual, you know, something that I've not seen done before. And then here we have a little headers, so we have little more bow headers, more bows, trackers, little icons, and quarter boxes. So this is if you're using your Erin Condren, if you like to decorate, you're getting definitely 2 weeks here of stickers. And this is something that basically I would use in my planner. Now let's say that you love to still decorate a lot, but you want to have more white space in your planner because you're using like a B6 or something. Like for example, I use Any Plans Printables B6 inserts, and I kind of need a little more room to write in. So now we have the Mini Box Sticker Society. So the Mini Box Sticker Society, the boxes, and I'll show you, are the same width as the full-size boxes, but as you can tell, they're shorter. So basically when you line them up, you're gonna have more space in your box to write down. And so these are the full boxes, which are just the same design, they're just a little shorter. And then these are the little checklists and half boxes and quarter boxes. And then we have more actually of these. So these are a little more not functional because they're still functional with the other one. We have date covers, we have flags, we have washi strips, but still, and another week actually of date covers. So actually we have 2 full weeks of that, and then another sheet of the full boxes, again the gold foiling. So basically the design is the same, it's just a little shorter. And then you're also getting a sheet of little flags, little trackers, little words, and the date covers, which are so useful. And I am totally gonna try this. I usually use the full size, the full kit, but this kit is a great idea. And so again, this is called the Mini Box Sticker Society. And then this is the next one instead. It's the Obonichi Weeks Sticker Society, which Christy added a new sheet. So and I love her Obonichi Weeks kits because she gives you so much. So we have this little square, so this is just a little mini version of the girls. I love that. Then you get a sheet with the date cover, so you get 3 weeks. Then some little foiled words, the date covers, little flags. And then we have these little boxes that you can put on the bottom right corner. And then we have more bows, more trackers, little mini boxes again. And then again, strips of washi, icons, little flags, and then more. Actually, these are going to be the same format. So this different design, but it's the same concept. You're getting half boxes and just little square boxes, and then more washi strips. And so these are great. Using your Obonichi Weeks, you get a ton out of it. And then the last sticker society, which is the sticker society. So this is something if you like to either add on to something that you already have. So this is more practical, I would say, if you're more of a practical planner, or if you like to add more. You get 5 sheets, and you're gonna get quarter boxes, days of the week. Then we're gonna get some icons, more words and washi strips, bows, trackers, again headers, checklists, both checklists, little hearts, and a little I always forget how to call these, the little bow headers, little flags, and another one with foiled little bows and flags, etc. So this is the box sticker society. Interjection, I almost forgot the washi tape society, so here it is, and this can be purchased separately. It comes with 4 tapes. So we get this beautiful 30 millimeter, a beautiful 50 millimeter, which is my favorite one because it has this beautiful rainbows with the gold foiling, and then a beautiful 10 millimeter and a 5 millimeter. And if you are obsessed with washi tapes as much as I am, you definitely need this. So you can purchase this separately. It doesn't need to be purchased as an add-on. And end of intermission. And guys, I think I have managed to get everything in here in less than 15 minutes. So I think this is a record. I hope I didn't speak too fast. But again, I wanted to do this as fast as possible because all these goodies, if you're not a subscriber or if you have subscribed and you want to get more, this will be available on the website today together with some other discounts like $2 Tuesdays, etc. Also, the beautiful header albums are gonna be there. So I wanted to put it up as soon as possible, and I will leave the links below on how to subscribe if you want to subscribe, or if you want to, if you have more questions, please reach out to Christy and their customer service. And if you have any questions for me, please reach out to me on Instagram at PLANNINGFANCY, and I will be glad to answer all your questions.